Into our midst, our dear daughter, to present a flower to the ambassador of Ghana in the person of His Excellency Mr. Lamotte. So let's welcome Miss Louisa Chinipua.
On behalf of the Nanano and the Ghanaian committee, I present these flowers to you.
Thank you very much. At this moment, we are going to call on Pastor Peter Makuvia to give us a speech on behalf of the Ghanaian Association in Tel Aviv. Please, let's put our hands together for him. Pastor Makuvia.
Thank you, Mr. MC. On behalf of the Ghanaian community in Israel, we just want to say we thank you for coming. His Excellency, diplomatic corps, fellow pastors, Executive Council of the Ghanaian Community Union, Nananumo, ladies and gentlemen, as we are about to see the show of Ghanaian culture and custom, they are very important in Africa, in my country, Ghana, but some customs are evil. We Ghanaians overlook our culture, and these have taken effect on our economy because we overlook made in Ghana products. We hope to encourage all Ghanaians to have interest in our culture, especially our youth. As a Ghanaian, our culture is not in wearing coats and ties, but in African dresses. Thank you for coming, and I said thank you. I'm done.
Thank you very much, Pastor Makuvia. We are going to humbly ask His Excellency, the Ambassador, to give a speech. Mr. Ambassador, you are most welcome.
Thank you very much. Nanano, the traditional elders of our Ghanaian community here in Israel, pastors, brothers and sisters from other African countries, other church elders, I say greetings to you. First, let me congratulate whoever conceived the idea of doing the Kente show. I was very happy when I got the communication that this program was going to take place. And I discussed with my staff that this is something that we must support. I was happy because I have seen this done in other places. And I'm sure for those of you who know, the community in Italy does this quite regularly. And the gentleman who initiated this in Italy showed up in New York, and he introduced this in New York as well. And it was something that I was associated with. So let me say congratulations for doing this. You are truly showcasing the Ghanaian culture through the Kente cloth. And so this show, I say, I echo for bringing it up. I know that from the program, Mr. Osetutu will be talking about the history of the Kente. And so I believe those of you who don't know will learn something and will all be ears to listen to Mr. Osetutu. As we do this program, I will take the opportunity to call for unity amongst our people. Now, I think it is a well-known fact that in unity is strength. Particularly when you are abroad, that is outside of your own country, then unity amongst yourselves will help to promote your interests. I have said before that my office, that is the embassy, is ready to work with our nationals to promote their interests. And for this reason, probably those of you who don't know me very well, I'm extremely very easy to approach. If you want to come and see me in my office is open. I think Reverend Makuvia and Salome will attest to this. I don't know about previous ambassadors. I know that in time past, it was so difficult, I'm not talking about Israel, but in time past, it is very difficult for our nationals to access or meet ambassadors. I think times have changed. And I can tell you that even when I was a young diplomat, I told somebody in London many years ago that I intend to make a difference, and that this business of diplomats, drawing a kind of a shell around themselves and not allowing people to approach them, for me, is over. And so, for those of you who have had the opportunity of coming to the embassy, you know that I stop when I see any of our nationals and talk to them. And so feel free to come and discuss. For the link, I'm sure a lot of you know Mr. Chrysoben. He's a very affable young man. And I think he's a good link between the embassy and the community. But as I said, I am always available. If you think that the problem is a problem that the ambassador should hear, please feel free to bring it up. As I said before, unity is the key. And I'm asking all of you to take this very seriously so that we can work together to promote your interests. I'm sure you know by now that in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Accra, or in Ghana, let me say, we have a whole bureau, a whole section that is devoted to diasporans, that is Ghanaians in the diaspora. So that tells you how seriously government takes the issue of Ghanaians in the diaspora. And so it is part of our calling to work hard to see to helping solve problems that confront our nationals. But in the same vein, we also encourage our nationals to also contribute to national development. And I think we can do this best when we work together. I think I will not bore you. This evening is an evening dedicated to Kente Show, and it is not meant for long speeches. So I will not bore you. I will stop here and say, well done for this program, and we are ready to enjoy the show for the evening. Thank you very much.
We are going to call on Mr. Osei Tutu, who is going to give us the history of this Kente cloth that we have all been hearing of. I grew up hearing Kente, but I don't really know where Kente is weaving. All I know is that it's a handmade. How it came about, who brought it to Ghana, I don't know. So today, our brother is going to take us back to history to know how this kente is being woven, where it came about, and how we have it. In Ghana, if you are privileged to have a kente, that means you are a rich person. So I want to say we are all rich here to have kente in our boxes. Thank you very much, Mr. Osei Tutu.
Thank you very much, Mrs. MC. I have the privilege to explain or to give the meaning or the history concerning the invention of kente cloth. Since most of us here are Ghanaians, I've been asked to explain everything in Akan language. Ghana my mother, Akan for Yeka kente mwa semwa na ye kru akope e wo Ghana kru akope ai fe bonre e ho na me free ye wo ho e tete me wo ho mi ni kente nyu eno ana me nwere ye e di ko school wo class 4 ana me sha kente nyu no mi nwere de e ko school a de sa e to asoko ye diploma kakra wo college. And the seven mama prebe 10 minutes. Na me checking tea asipa. Etati bebre se binumo keka kente mo asem abra omu fribonre. Na benefo se akunjeni be efizu be ka se ntemawu a. E na chize. De na de mbatia fribonre ni ankasa enum said eba eye ya kente ba na me ankasa sayo odofo amenim kente nyo de di kan no kente e sha ase e wo bonure be efie be ahasa edia sunum about 375 years ago ashapa na kente no enam bonure ye nanano mienu bi so na omoye abofo e ka abofo a they were hunters na omudi omoye nuanom na e befre pani no a wo mo no opoku kuraku ana onye kuma no so ye fe no kwaku ameyawo na omo eye ahafo abomofo a mo sori a omo ko ahayo enti dakobi omo ko muram omo ko kwaye ku se omo ko pe omo ko ye ha enti pani no enamo ano hu se ananse kwaku ananse spider oye entintan tintan sonku bi enti ohu ye no atwena dreko entintan so to nti o hwe tintan di hwe gogo na so oye tintan no ha na ofre o tie mu frɛ wo nua kuma na so other side o baby of first kwaku ameya bomodi abra ba hwa de edi ameya wo ndi kabai obey no hede anansi eye nzagi tinanansi no ode o ye na ase ayi entetan ye sonko eti obuja ahayo extra cd hwe anansi no ade a wo ye ama ade enujoy nti ana enube no ko fie ade ti no msa ba bie mu ana omso ye anansi ye emo omso omobo modern na omosua ati da bia no kwa na omosua anansi no na o ya de no manutre na omo hwe pan a ofa so oye no eti omo ye sa hwe ya ama anansi ye antintan na mane tre After say omuni announcing time. Say if you are top one, both the colors be woman, bone colors, a woman. Don't say colors be war, a tinta. No, I see the purpose of 2 years. I know me. It's the only say, Ombe sa, a Juma, and Obi. I don't see Omoka, Omuti, a boom said, Ombe sa, a Juma, a Jomba Fieno, Omo share. Ahoma bi edwa English no Prof say no raffia so the doa no omo try so almost explain o ye doa no said there anansi eye kinte no almost say doa no e wo fom e dedi kan omo ye kinte fe no e fom ntoma omo no fom o sisi dua wo fom na obi doa no sasa so omo no sege na anansi ye pepe eti obi abehuru ye no omo ko hu ya msana we dey be ni uhwe na attack kenten tisa kenten no edi no frɛ efiri kenten mu ni omo ye na kwa se uhun se kenten pepe njo omo na mafo se kenten omo kɔsoa eye different na be omo improve omo so omo ya ma kwa se de anansi eye ne de no eti omo kusu ya na dako omo ya se de omo so omo pe ma duku no a ma abo omo ne bi no hwetwe homa na wo mu no hwetwe homa no a ewo mu no jajajaja ana omo start so omo ye omo ne nwunu se na se ye ne pepepe na omo ye no omo ne kwakire kromo aibonure hene na o ti ase oho na sa ohene no ye frɛ no nana gobi ansa odi kan eto ohene hu ye no eyerwanwa na wodi abunya saa adwiri wo hen ohene bɔ maba so je ba de sɛ ohene no de wo mokɔ asante hene anim what is omo de sample so bi kɔ kyerɛ asante hene da sa hene asante ne hu ye no na ni je ho ka job sɛ omo nkɔ so enye saa de ni bi nti omo ba ye no I say ma de na efe omo sa ke kente no omo nya ahoma ye fita enti omo de ahoma fita aye kente no omo fre akmafupo first tuma omo no ye no omo tudi akoma fufu omo de kwakire akoma fufu ye white hawk sa no omo to etu ani di nti omo de tuma kwakire asante hene ni je ho nti asante ka job say omo mo de omo nyama kales mbrem na kales fanye tete no kales obe mo nya kales omo ni kales na omo ba ye no omo wo opani bi wo bonwire ho omo kan ho asem kire wo e kire pani no na tete fo no omo nim idua emunsuo eduebo emunsuo ye yellow Coca-Cola star de ebi nsuo ye green apobre enti ohwe saa nana no asa opani no ekokojinchim nsuo no wo dua no mu no mo de nsawa no urawura o de sawa fita ni wura se bia dua ba ko a yellow no a ye sikisika agosa de efe do sekadua to omo tinchim nsuo no omo de omo na wuram na dare agosa de ye ope braka no omo pedu dua eye tuntum emuzo tuntum no omo de ahye na omo nsa aka tuntum de ye green no omo pedua bi aye green omo pese hwe no omo ye antuma kama ye de kama na ebi usoro na opani bi so obonire ho ono so omo ka che no no so bua gofo no blessa omo bua yekokua me obukukragu ane gwagwa me ya designs are more. Also, the Nagre, Emma, or say, or a junior, Gugu, come. It's the only one say, as I think. It's as I think who is the Apology Hopa. And as I take the 2 and 20 day or your command. What they told Asante Akunyano, 18 on Toso or your command. The first guitar Kalesa, or Moya. Nay, a fellow or your command will be away from your command and 20 be done. Only the San or told Asante Akunyano. According to history, no, just said, Sa and tomorrow Mudika Yano, Sa tomorrow Dasuta, Asante Akunyano is here. Because can take a guitar, can say, so we got a come say, in grand or come, Nasa Dobra come one, I bet that was and say that. The South Mano Dasuta, Asante Akunyano. Eti, Omo Koswa Jaman, put them for the phone and EJ. I dear way. Now, of Pediba Busku would ready a fellow Utiko. Also, the Nagre Ebuao. Now, Pedinsu Buao designs. Did there be an almost new designs? Designs, I would know. And I can tell you, you know, a very fast weaver. Obi a ɔnokete tempa eti bonu no obi a ɔnokete ntete piano ɔmda fɛ sɛ ɔnokete te sɛ otiko because now you be a na ɔnokete tempa eti ɔmo no ekete bebree ahodo bebree na kete no a bi ba ba ho kete bebree wɔ ha no obi a ofra kete so onim ne din ye wo kete bi sɛ Fatia Pata Nkroma. The deep father, the dear fellow, Tikro and Quetina. I know now, sister Becky, if you know. The fellow, Fatia Pata Nkroma. Satma, we are here, no. Sata Mana, Papa Nkroma, Emily, Fatia. Eti Haro, Eddie Dino, Fatia di Atos. Nti very Fatia Pata Nkroma. Eti omo ye awodo bebrebe ye wo abusua dom ebi de fra akwara wote mani ha sei tete ntua ba omo ye libe no wote ha sei pa na ha akwara no ni ntua ne fe no abusua dom omo nwere sikaputru yihu bi wa ha tete ntua ba sikaputru omo nwere epiachi this design be brave. Na ema bonure enya edi kese ewo asante mema kasa. Enti bonure ye kase bi sano. Na entwa mo ye wo ntwa no omo hase no be ba o. Omo hase no. Omo nwo no fom. Ache no omo nwo no wo. Omo no omo ya homa sa omo ko to omo na kokromoti a no be amara so one massive. Menu sad banana no menu bi. If it fell ayase ntoma. Ha ana ye omo prove omo ya na ye nya ensadua ntoma. Say entoma ye friend na no entoma ye no wo ensadua mu. Ensadua ntoma. Ye elefanso omo ye ya nya different types of as entoma wo be be. Ye wo ayopan as a bili hanmo praying wine. Say no udu bonura kente no o ma different pepe ye wo bakufra Mr. Stephen e fed Obama Obama e say omo di e drop by the to President Clinton e di drop be o ma ye deserve bebrebe na ade agba wo say Kete abwa maye pa.
Miss Lorian Abella Stephen, so the bed down ho kakra ye ntoma fofra abaso. So wa o ye bibia no hu no mbekre bia ma Obama kente. President Obama ba ye no ntoma we e na Ghana for e de to no. O ho aye fe. E da wase bebre, o betumi abatena se.